everyone, welcome to my channel Dentistry Talks. Hi, I'm Dr. Soumya. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get the notification. If you like the video, please do like the video. And in this video, I'll be talking about best study tips for BDS exam. If you're interested, watch up to the end. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Tip number 1. Focus on gaining knowledge rather than focusing on getting more scores, which will not help you in future. If you have knowledge, it is gonna help you in future as well, and there is nothing to do with the exam. So always focusing on knowledge, it should be the first priority in your BDS course or whatever you are going through. Tip number 2. Understand the concept. If you understand the concept, you can retain the information for longer duration. If you just memorize the concept, under exam pressure, you may forget the things that you memorized. So always try to understand the concept. Tip number 3. Start study from day 1 itself. If you start studying from day 1 itself, you will be having enough time to cover most of the topics and you can understand the concept better. So always try to start from the beginning itself. That is extremely important. Tip number 4. Timetable. Having a customized timetable is extremely best option. So a person without any plan will lead to an imperfect direction. So if you have a perfect plan which will help you to take to a perfect direction, which ultimately you reach to your goal. So always have a timetable. Make sure that you follow your timetable. Tip number 5. Online resources. When you don't understand any of the concept, you can just use the internet to make you understand the concept. There are many online resources available nowadays. To name a few, I'll just give you an example. YouTube, SlideShare, there are many websites. Make use of those resources to gain knowledge. Tip number 6. Prepare your own notes. Preparing your own notes is very important, because when you want to revise the concept, you don't have to go through the entire book. You can just go through the important points that you have written in your notes. Always focus on quality of the content rather than focusing on quantity. Tip number 7. Healthy mind and healthy body is extremely important. Sometimes dentistry is overwhelming and stressful. To cope up with this, do meditation, have a healthy diet to maintain your body, and have some stress buster activities such as walking, painting, exercising, many more you can do, which will help you to relieve the stress that has created due to dentistry. Tip number 8. Highlighting. This is very important step. You should make a habit of highlighting the important points that you have written in your notes or in a standard textbooks, because in exam paper, always examiner doesn't go through the entire answers that you have written in your answer paper. He just go through the important points that you have highlighted. Always make a habit of highlighting the important point in your notes as well as in your standard textbook. Tip number 9. Coding is a method used to remember many points or classifications. You can use wherever it is possible. For example, you can use in classifications, and if you want to remember some 10 or 15 points, you can use coding method. To give you an idea, E stands for enamel, D stands for dentine, and C stands for cementum. To remember these 3 words, you can use the code EDC. In the same manner, you can use it wherever it is possible. Tip number 10. Study theory of subjects before practicals. Always try to study the theory before you're going to practicals. When you're applying your theoretical knowledge in practicals, you can understand the concept better and you can retain the information for longer duration. This is extremely important. Tip number 11. Attend every lecture. Don't miss any of the classes so that you will not have a continuity. So always try to attend each classes for theory as well as practical, which will help you to cope up with theory and practical. Tip number 12. Have a realistic goal and be consistent. Have a realistic goal. Back work on monthly, weekly and daily goal. Being consistent, which will help you to reach your goal. Use all these tips which will make you succeed in BDS course. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.